Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace. Today I'm going to show you Jwell Machinery ABS refrigerator board production line. We adopt fully automatic gravimetric dosing unit, which can ensure accurate feeding. This machine equipped with 2 extruders, and each of the extruders has a double station screen changer, and the width of the mold is 190 mm, and the 3 roller calendar are all made by ourselves, including electroplating and nitrogen are all done by ourselves. This machine also equipped with automatic robot hand. The sucker sets the production up and place it on the conveyor belt, which is very convenient and quick, making it easier to billing. These all are what I want to share today. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye!